Primary ciliary dyskinesia, PCD, is a relatively rare condition associated with abnormal cilia, which may affect the lungs, sinuses, ears, and reproductive organs. Cilia are microscopic hair-like structures located in many parts of the body. In the respiratory tract, millions of cilia line the nasal passages, the tubes that connect the nose to the ears, and the airways in the lung that we breathe through. These cilia have internal motors that make them able to beat rapidly and bend so they can sweep secretions, known as mucus, out of the lungs, nose and ears, helping to keep them clear from infection. The cilia of patients with PCD do not beat normally. Usually, the internal structure of the cilia in patients with PCD are found to be abnormal, or very occasionally their cilia do not develop at all. This condition is genetically inherited. Genetic research is starting to identify some of the genes that may be involved in PCD. The trait appears to be carried by a recessive gene. This means that a patient has PCD only if they have 2 copies of the gene for PCD, one from their mother and one from their father. If both the child's mother and father have a gene for PCD, each time they have a child, there is a 1 in 4 chance their child will have PCD. If somebody has only one gene, they are not affected in any way. Tests are not available to determine who is a carrier, and as yet no test for prenatal diagnosis is available. Across the UK, PCD affects about 1 in 15,000 people, although geographical hotspots may occur if there is a high degree of intermarriage, for example first cousin marriage, within the local population, where the incidence may be as high as 1 in 2,200.